Battle of the Handheld Vacuums, Dyson vs. Shark vs. Black+Decker. When choosing a handheld vacuum, understanding your specific cleaning needs is crucial. Let's start by exploring the Dyson Gen5detect Absolute, a model known for its powerful performance. Dyson Gen5detect Absolute boasts advanced laser technology for detecting hidden dust. Its impressive suction power ensures no dirt is left behind, making it ideal for deep cleaning tasks. Battery life is a standout feature of the Dyson, offering up to 60 minutes of continuous cleaning. This makes it perfect for extended cleaning sessions without frequent recharges. The Dyson is designed with user-friendly features, including a hygienic bin emptying mechanism. Its lightweight build further enhances ease of use, especially for reaching high or awkward spots. Next, we have the Shark WANDVAC WV201, renowned for its ultra-portable design. This vacuum is perfect for quick cleanups and tight spaces, thanks to its compact size. The Shark's suction power is impressive for its size, making it efficient for everyday messes. However, its battery life is shorter, suitable for quick tasks rather than prolonged cleaning. Shark's design emphasizes convenience, with a one-touch emptying system and ergonomic handling. Its sleek appearance fits seamlessly in any home setting, adding to its aesthetic appeal. Moving on to the Black+Decker 20V Max Handheld Vacuum, this model is known for its versatility. Equipped with multiple attachments, it tackles various surfaces and cleaning challenges with ease. Battery performance of Black+Decker is robust, supporting longer cleaning sessions. The charging station ensures it's always ready to go, a key feature for busy households. The Black+Decker stands out with its rotating nozzle and washable filter, allowing for thorough cleaning and easy maintenance. It's a reliable choice for those seeking practicality. Each vacuum offers unique advantages, catering to different needs. Dyson excels in comprehensive cleaning, Shark offers portability, and Black+Decker combines versatility with ease of maintenance. Ultimately, the choice depends on your priorities: long battery life, portability, or versatility. Consider your cleaning environment and specific requirements to determine which model best suits you.